Today we're starting our 3-day kayaking adventure with Abel Tasman Kayaks.
We're super excited to be on the water and see Abel Tasman National Park from a different angle.
I'm wasting, losing time. I'm a foolish, fragile spine. I want all, but there's no mine. I want him, but we're not right.
It's a bit chilly.
Unfortunately, it was too windy today, which meant the seas were really rough and we couldn't get out on the kayaks. So we decided to go for a little bit of a hike to get to the next campsite. But it's all right, making the most of it, and it's really nice to be walking here through the forest section of the Abel Tasman Coastal Trail, which we wouldn't have got to do otherwise. So making a positive out of what could have been a negative.
Awesome team, well done. Yeah.